choir. So, because it's a mass choir, everybody is invited to join. Mga babae, mga lalaki, mga tigulang, mga bata. So, maayo kami na natin ang atong youth. Youth, you are also invited to join this mass choir. Kitang tanan bukan na ani sa Sabado. Requested by Pastor Bernie Minego. So, ang youth na kayo wording is the lyrics. And actually, all the singing groups, isa group singing group, basta gusto mo kanta, you are all invited to sing with this mass choir. In fact, I'm going to request kung pwede ka mag-uniform by districts. Hindi ba naaman tayo color coding sa atong mga districts? Oo. So, kaming districts of Western, ayaw na ako ng color sa upan. But, ang mga singing groups, you're also requested to wear your own uniforms. Katong sunugin nyo sa opening salvo. Oh. Ha? Kaya ingat si Pastor Bernie Minego, baan ako ng picture o video guys, i-show niya sa Hope Channel. Okay. Oh, promote ko siya na request. So now let us try to sing the song one song. Then we will have our final practice tomorrow night again. Okay? So after the vocals. So let's try it once now with the accompaniment. -1. Sige.